Herniated disc, alternative treatments versus traditional treatments. Herniated discs are more than just a pain in the back. They're a complex challenge affecting millions, stirring a crucial debate. Should you opt for traditional treatments or venture into the realm of alternative treatments? Traditional methods, with their surgical precision and pharmaceutical aids, have long dominated the scene. However, they're often shadowed by risks and side effects that can't be brushed aside. Meanwhile, alternative treatments like chiropractic adjustments, acupuncture, and yoga offer a gentler, more holistic approach, but questions linger about their effectiveness and scientific backing. The newest article published by HealYourBulgingDisc.com isn't just another overview. It's a comprehensive exploration of both worlds. We'll dissect the specifics of surgeries, medications, and physical therapy, juxtaposing them with the natural allure of chiropractic care, acupuncture, and movement-based therapies. It's a deep dive into the pros and cons, the safety profiles, and the real costs, both financial and physical, of each option. Brace yourself for a journey through expert opinions, cutting-edge research, and real-life stories from those who've walked this path. Whether you're grappling with the decision of undergoing surgery or contemplating a more natural route, this article aims to arm you with the knowledge and insights needed to navigate your herniated disc treatment journey with confidence. Visit the link in the video description to read the full article today.